Hey guys, I am back here today on the Golden Monkey, and I will be showing you how to improve the overall speed of your computer. Now, this could take your games that you run from running all the way from 30 to 35 frames per second, which is okay, but not the best. It could take it all the way to 55, maybe even 60 frames per second, depending on the processor of your computer. This may even improve the speed of your internet. It's not guaranteed, but it may improve it depending on which is your internet provider. So let's get started. Okay, so these methods that I showed today will drastically increase the speed of your computer. Not only your games, it will decrease the lag of your games that you have installed on your computer, but overall the speed of your computer will be improved. So the first thing you want to do is open up settings. Now, this should pop up. Then you go to System, and in the left pane, select Storage. And if you have the latest update of Windows 10, this little thingy should pop up. Now, Storage Sense, you're going to want to turn that on. What that does is that it basically deletes files that you don't need that are taking up space on your computer. This could include files that your browser downloaded off the internet. It could also be files that apps and games that you have are no longer using, so you're going to want to turn that on. It also frees up space from your recycling bin. Now, this could drastically increase the speed of your computer. It could decrease the lag of your gaming, and as I said in the beginning, it may even increase the speed of your internet. It's not guaranteed, but it just might. Now, the next thing you want to do is right here in Cortana, type disk cleanup. This thing should pop up. Now it's going to open up this window for you. What you're going to want to do is click on every single one of these. Make sure everyone is clicked. Now what that's going to do is that just by doing this, I could free up 487 megabytes of space just by doing this. Now that's an extreme amount of space of pure files that my computer isn't using. It doesn't need at all. So by deleting these, nothing's gonna happen. Your computer doesn't need it, so why have it cluttering up your space? So you're gonna want to click OK, delete files, and it's gonna prompt you with this, cleaning up your drive. It's extremely important. I can't stress this enough. Even if you don't have the best computer, like the newest computer, especially the older ones, if you don't have the greatest processor, this will extremely drastically increase the speed. It could also improve the quality of your games, as I said in the beginning. This may seem obvious, this next thing, but say if you have lots of things in your recycling bin, just right click it, and if you have things in it, just empty recycle bin. Delete files that you don't need anymore. This next thing may also seem even more obvious, but delete games that you no longer play, delete apps that you don't need anymore. It's obvious, but it can extremely drastically improve the speed of your computer. So that'll be it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to leave a like. Please hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the other videos on this channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.